There's a new AI feature in Claritee that allows you to generate a section from scratch using AI in just a click. And here's how it works. Select an existing section, click in the top right corner the AI icon, and then describe your section. Then click Regenerate. It should take up to about a minute for it to generate. And there you go. That's the section. Now, of course, you can select the elements and resize them if you want. So I might do something like that, and then we're good to go. So that's the AI feature for the sections. Now, make sure that you select an existing section. If you haven't selected a section, you won't see the option to click the button. And if you select a section, keep in mind it's going to replace the content that already exists. So if you don't want to replace the content, you can just create a new section here, and then I can select that section and have it create the content for that empty section.